Znode, a global leader in e-commerce, and Scribe, the leader in CRM integration. Together help companies maximize revenue. Using integrated data leads to superior customer experience. Quality customer experience drives sales and maximizes return on investment. Scribe effectively integrates your ERP system with Znode to increase the conversion rate. Customers will have real-time, relevant information about their purchases. Increase the speed to revenue. Customer orders and business systems will have more accurate data, less hands-on work, and more sales. Increase customer satisfaction. More accurate data will create engaging and personalized shopping experiences for customers. Let's see how easy it is to integrate an online store with a back-end office system using Scribe. As we first come into the Maxwell Wine and Cheese store, we'll take a quick look at one of the inventory items, a bottle of Pinot Noir. And now we will go into the back-end system to see where the item originated. Drilling into the item card, you can see additional details like description and price that are pulled into the Znode web store. Now we'll go back to the bottle of Pinot Noir on the web store, add it to the cart, and make a purchase. Just a note that although this site does not show available inventory, that is supported, and you also have the ability to choose how to handle back orders. We will finish up the order, then you see the order confirmation. The real-time connection with Scribe Online drops the order from the web store immediately into the back-end system. Looking at the customer card, you can see the order that was just placed for 5 bottles of Pinot Noir. From here, we will now add an additional line to the order, a bottle of Merlot. Let's go back to look at our account on the Znode store. Logging into our account, you can see that the order has been updated and now shows the additional bottle of Merlot. Scribe Online enables a cost-effective approach to the right data at the right time.